is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page? Tonight can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
Hey everyone, today we are at Samwangsa Temple and we are going to be here in the day, and so it is nighttime, so you will see a different side to this temple. I think it really comes alive at night, so let's go explore some more.
On the same page, tonight can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
Alright, fact number one. With over 360 million followers, Buddhism is the 4th largest religion. So Buddha, originally a wealthy prince, left it all behind once he saw the truth about poverty in the world, to pursue a life of truth, and he does that through meditation. So that is number 2. Okay, Buddha is not actually chubby. He's actually portrayed that way because it is a symbol of happiness in the East. Happiness and wealth. So that is why we see the big Buddha, and that is number 3. Number 4, he actually found enlightenment meditating in basically on the bottom of a fig tree, where he was tempted, and he lay there, sat there meditating for days, constantly being tempted by desire, and then finally, after much troubles, he awoke as the Buddha. Finally, number 5, it is the 19th of May, which is Buddha's birthday. So hope you enjoyed those 5 little facts about the Buddha and Buddhism. Have a fantastic day. So there you have it. Honestly, it's super pretty. You should definitely come at night. I think the night wins. Like, seriously, look at this. How many lanterns? Buddha must be one special individual to deserve such a wonderful celebration. But yeah, anyway, hope you enjoyed. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.